Counting to 3 is so easy, even a salamander can do it. However, as numbers grow bigger, our ability to comprehend their values start to break down. So today we'll discuss the biggest number in the universe. Let's begin with billion. 1 billion is equal to 8,000 millions. 1 trillion is understood to be a million millions. 1 trillion seconds is the equivalent of 31,546 years. Then we have quadrillion, which contains 15 zeros. Superman Prime 1 million is said to be 600 quadrillion times faster than the speed of light. Next we have quintillion with 18 zeros, followed by sextillion, which contains 21 zeros. It's stated that Wonder Woman can lift 1/3 of the Earth. That is 1 sextillion, 990 quintillion tons. Okay, so let's get familiar with the complete list. Septillion, octillion, nonillion, decillion, undecillion, duodecillion, tridecillion, quattordecillion, quindecillion, sexdecillion, septendecillion, octodecillion, novemdecillion, vigintillion. Now take a pen, grab a paper, and write down 100 individual zeros. Then put a 1 right in the front. This massive figure you'll see is named Google. Many years later, a misspelling of this term would be used as the name of the internet's top search engine, Google. Next, we have centillion, with 303 zeros. And then, the Googleplex. There are more zeros in a Googleplex than there are atoms in the observable universe. A Googleplex is 10 to the 10th to the 100th power. As it's impossible to write all the zeros out, there'd be 10 duotrigintillion of them. If you think a Googleplex is big, get a load of Skew's number, which looks like this. 10th to the 10th to the 10th to the 34th power. This is the largest number which has ever served in any definite purpose in mathematics. To put this in perspective, the mass of all such books required to write out U's number would be vastly greater than the masses of the Milky Way and the Andromeda galaxies combined, which is greater than the mass of the observable universe by a factor of roughly 7 times 1039. And finally, the infinity. It represents something that is endless or that is larger than any real or natural occurring number. Infinity is not a real number. It's a mathematical theory, an idea of something without an end. So there you go, the largest number in the universe. To see how big the universe is, click here. See you next week.